That's the beginning of the first Rasputitsa campaign. So I flip the levy to campaign. And on the Russian side, on the Teutonic side, the Teutonic had made a decision is that it's only going to camp there in Dorpat because that's a bishopric, so it's a strong stronghold, and it has two lords inside. And even if Hendrich is going to disband next turn, he can be paid by Herman with 1 coin. So that shouldn't be a problem. They should still be on the field until the end of the scenario. And he's not going to strike the Karelians and Vladislav here to get their provender because they would be in a defending position and they don't want to, Herman and Hendrich don't want to lose any forces and take any risk. Even if they would have good chances of winning, it's a useless risk because they have more victory points and all they have to do until the end of the scenario is just to stay alive. So the best place to stay alive is to stay there at Dorpat. So they are going to use all the cards to just supply, and because there's a famine, they cannot forage, and they cannot get more than one supply per command card. So yeah, they're just going to stay there and stock up on supplies in case they are sieged. And they are not going to strike Domash in Pskov either to liberate the siege, because even if they will still be winning, Domash also has pretty nice forces, and they will be a little far away from the Herman's seat. And it will be harder for him to supply by boat. All the Russian will have to do is to go here, and it will block the road by waterway. So they don't want to take any risks, so they're just going to camp there. So those are the cards. It's going to be Herman, Hendrich, Herman. And they are not going to be lieutenant of each other. Herman is the marshal anyway, so they don't need to. So that's a stack of command cards for the Teutonic. On the Russian side, things are much more complicated because the only way Russian can win is to get rid of these two lords. And the Danish princes are going to be available to muster next turn, and if they do, they would muster there at one of these seats. This is too far, this is too little time to go beat all of them. So the Russians need to begin the siege of Dorpat during this campaign phase. They absolutely need to do this so that the Teutonic player cannot muster, cannot use the muster of their lords. Yeah. But the problem now is that even this place is not friendly to the Russian. So the first thing to do is to storm this place. And there's only one siege marker. But I really need all my command cards to make moves. So Domash is going to storm alone with only one siege marker. And he's just crossing his fingers that he's going to beat the Karizan. If he beats the Karizan, he's going to get 2 coins, 2 loot, and 2 provenders. So he will be able to share the coins and loot to pay for all the Teutonic, all the Russian lords to stay in the field for a little longer so they can build siege works at Dorpat. So Domash is going to get Pskov at first. And then Alexander is going to move there. And now, once it's friendly, he will be able to forage there, because that will become a friendly stronghold, and he will not be able to supply anymore because it's Rasputitsa, and this road is, this trackway is, doesn't allow any transport, it's muddy. And then I will put Vladislav, lieutenant of the Karelians, and they have to change their mind. They started here last time, they went down here to join to join Alexander and Domash at Pskov. The problem now is that they're going to need some loot to pay themselves. So one way to do this is to go here and ravage. So, but that will be 1, 2, 3 moves, and then later ravage and 2 moves to go back here in a friendly locale on the Russian side to pay himself with the loot, because he needs to be in a friendly locale to do that. And so the march from Narwa to Gdov will be Laden. So it's going to take the 3 command cards to ravage and march. The 3 command actions to ravage and march Laden. And once this is done, he will be able to, Vladislav will be able to stay on to pay himself with the loot and then not disband next turn, and then join Alexander and Domash at the siege of Dorpat. So let's see how it goes, and that's it.